Did you know that the Chausie, one of the largest cat breeds today, has roots tracing back to ancient Egypt? Let's explore how these wild-looking yet affectionate felines came into existence. The Chausie is a hybrid breed, resulting from the cross between a jungle cat Felis chaus and domestic cats. This unique lineage dates back thousands of years to ancient Egypt. The jungle cat, native to the swamps of South-Central Asia, was first hybridized with domestic cats in Egypt, leading to a breed that combines wild appearance and affectionate nature. One fascinating detail is that the Chausie can be traced back to the Abyssinian cat, making it one of the largest domesticated breeds due to its size and stature from the jungle cat. These cats are known for their striking appearance with a lean, muscular build, tall ears, and wild coat patterns that can vary widely among individuals. Despite their wild ancestry, Chausies are generally affectionate and loyal companions. They require a lot of activity and mental stimulation due to their high energy levels. Today, the Chausie stands as an example of how ancient practices can shape modern breeds. Their unique blend of wild heritage and domestic temperament makes them a truly remarkable cat. What did you find most interesting about Chausie cats? Share your thoughts on their history or unique characteristics in the comments below.